Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the Indicator Store. And today we are going to show how you can download and install NinjaTrader. It is a free professional platform. And for that I am going to use a virtual machine because I already have it installed on my computer. So let's use a fresh, clean, this is Windows 11 I guess. So let's see. Let's see. So you go to ninjatrader.com, and if this is the first time that you use it, you don't have an account. So you can click on Open Account. You don't need to open an account, okay? So let's place an email, for example, test@theindicatorstore.com. Now you should get an email. I don't know why I got it on Spanish, but it should be English, okay? Click on confirm, and then you get something like this, where you can create a username, for example, test ninja Pablo. And the password, fine. We can log in again from NinjaTrader, login. Place your username or your email. You can save it or not, that's your decision. Now, if you don't want to still open an account, you want to do the demo, below that, there's a not ready for live trading, okay? Click here, then type your name, and now you will get 2 weeks of data. You can see that here. Your free trial expires in 40 days. Not the platform, the data feed. So now you need the platform. Click on download. I suggest downloading always the last release. Download now. And after downloading, okay, you can execute. You can select the skin. This is the light version. You can also select the dark. Let's do the default, and then we can change that later. Okay, now we execute the program. We type the username or also the email that we used to register. And this is the window that shows at the beginning as default. This is what I was commenting on the previous video. By default, you have the option to work in simulation or live, but not both at the same time. And this is something that we are going to change later. Because maybe you want to be trading live, but also placing some trades on sim. Let's see how we can do that. Now it is going to load the default workspace. No, I don't want to migrate Ninja 7. I forgot to uninstall Ninja 7. Okay, let me magnify the virtual machine so we have more space. And this is what we saw on the other video. The default workspace. And if we look at the connections, we have only the SIM options, but I cannot create an account. Okay, so you log in with your user info and you are live or you are on SIM. Also, let me modify this. I am going to keep only 2 of the charts. If you don't want to get this message each time you close a window, you can click here. Now let's say I want to keep only this. Okay. Also, I don't like having tabs, so no tabs. Also, I don't like to have the scroll bar, so properties, show the scroll bar, no. You can also change the time to 12 hours or 24 hours, that depends on what you prefer. Now, another option is the instrument. You can change how the instrument is visible. But let's go to the settings. If you go to Tools, Settings, here you can change the language and set the multi-provider option. The multi-provider is what lets you trade in live and sim at the same time. What else? The skin, let's change to dark. Click on OK. Let me check if everything is correct. Multi-provider and dark. Okay, so we need to restart. Wait, because we are on the default workspace, and the default workspace is not going to be saved. So if I want to start with this exact configuration, we need to save as my config or whatever. Now, if you look at workspace, we have this one that it can be saved, and the default is closed. And those cannot be saved. So that we are ready. So we close, we save my config, yes. And now the next time that we open NinjaTrader, it is in dark mode, and it should not ask for live or demo. It opens the workspace that we defined as default, my config, but it is also not connected because there is no connection by default. On the menu connections, we have several, we can create another one, and we have simulation. So I can connect to simulation, and now we are ready. And also, we can create an account. So when you have several accounts, you can create from here, configure. And for example, the SIM account is NinjaTrader. You can double click or click on add, and here you can type your username or your email. Now you can set the connect on startup, so each time that you open NinjaTrader, it opens this connection. And also the option to ask for the password or not, depending where it's located. If you are the only one using your computer, this is not necessary. Now if we click on OK, when we close the platform, the next time that we open the platform, it will be also connected. And there you have it. Okay, if you like those type of tutorials, please give it a like, subscribe, click on the bell, and don't forget that we have a free chat room on Discord. The access is free, and the instructions are on the description of this video. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.